In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve text in Google Slides with WordArt. Start by opening your presentation in Google Slides and head to the slide where you want the curved text. It helps to imagine where the text will sit on the slide before you add anything, so you have a clear target for placement. Next, go to the Insert menu and choose WordArt. Type the text you want to appear curved, then press Enter to place it on your slide. WordArt is useful here because it's designed for decorative text. It supports fills and outlines, and, most importantly, it's easy to rotate and transform without warping your regular text boxes. If you want to tweak what it says, just double-click the WordArt and edit the text. Now resize and position the WordArt so it roughly sits where you want the curved effect to appear. Drag the corner handles to scale it larger or smaller, and use the center handle to move it around. Holding Shift while resizing helps keep the proportions consistent. Aim for a size that's readable from a distance and leave a little breathing room around the edges of the slide. As you move it, you'll notice smart guides that help you line things up. Use those to center or align the text cleanly. To create the curve, click Format, then Format Options, and open the Size and Rotation panel on the right. Here you'll see controls for width, height, and rotation. Because Google Slides doesn't have a dedicated curved text tool, you'll simulate the curve by rotating and subtly adjusting the proportions. Start by entering a small rotation value, like a few degrees, and see how it changes the angle. Nudge the angle up or down in small increments to match the arc you're going for. You can also slightly adjust the width or height to give the text a softer or tighter feel that complements the curve. After each adjustment, move the WordArt a little so it follows the imaginary arc on your slide. The arrow keys are great for precise nudging. Keep an eye on legibility. Extreme angles or distortions can make the text hard to read, so build the effect gradually and preview it full screen if you can. If you make a change you don't like, use Undo and step back. Once the rotation and size feel right, fine-tune the placement so the text appears naturally curved along the area you envisioned. That's it. You opened your slide, created WordArt, sized and positioned it, and used size and rotation to rotate or skew it into a curved effect. Save your presentation, and you're ready to present.